Arthur Hayes is a crypto OG. He's made a ton of money and he's got unique thoughts always on the macro environment. I recently sat down with Arthur and I asked him, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin's price? He thinks it's going to $1 million. Here's why.
Trump team is very serious about trying to do their part in rectifying these imbalances. I think capital controls are the way they're going to do it, which is a little bit slower burn, but foreigners are going to react by selling assets because now there's a tax and they don't want to pay it. And so that's going to require printed money to replace those dollars. So if the foreigners aren't going to supply the dollars to levitate treasury market and the stock market and the property market, the US government will supply it via the Fed, the Treasury, and sort of legislative actions that they can do, like Fannie and Freddie being on a conservatorship or stuff like that, right? So that's all coming and that money gets printed, and Bitcoin benefits the most out of all the different risky assets that one could own out there. And that's how we get to $1 million Bitcoin. I think that happens sometime between now and when Trump exits office in 2028.
Now, it's pretty unique to hear somebody talk about the fact that the United States may put some form of capital controls in place. That's a wild idea. I don't know if that's going to happen, but Arthur does. And if we have those capital controls, then we're going to have to print money. And of course, Bitcoin loves when governments print money. So we're going to see what happens here, but you heard it from Arthur first. He thinks $1 million Bitcoin, it's baked in and it's likely to happen. What do you think?